I will tell you how to download songs and play them offline on the Spotify. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So first thing first that you need to know is that you need to have a Spotify premium version installed, and you have to avail the premium subscription for the Spotify in order to get this feature. So simply go to your profile, and in the profile, what you have to do is to go to the setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you will see an option saying data saving and offline. Simply go in that, and you will see, yeah, there will be an option between off on data saver, and here you can see that remove all downloads, clear cache, and the storage that is occupied by your offline songs. So how you guys can actually get the offline songs? So simply go ahead and play any songs, and on the top right corner there will be three dots. Click on that, and if you have the premium subscription, you will see that there will be a download option right here, so you guys can play it while you are offline. So the offline version is only available for the premium users, so it is not available for the regular users. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.